Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we will cover the multicast feature, the option that allows you to send the video stream simultaneously to your social media accounts and reach new audiences during the live video experience. Let's see how. Although Instagram does not natively receive video streams through the RTMP protocol, you can still multicast from streams.live to your Instagram account. First, you need to download the Yellow Duck app for Windows or Mac. By using it, you will be able to generate the connection data needed for Instagram to receive a video stream. You need to open the app, enter your credentials, and select the login and start option. The app will generate the RTMP URL and stream key needed by streams.live to send the video to Instagram. In your studio, go to Multicast, toggle the option and select Add New. Each multicast destination has a name, an RTMP server address, and a stream key. The name can be anything that you want it to be, since it's there to help you better organize your destinations, while the address and key are generated by the destination platform. In this particular case, the data retrieved from Yellow Duck. Right after you go live on streams.live, select the Start Broadcast option from Yellow Duck to go live on your Instagram page. Tick the Allow Commenting option to enable your viewers to interact. It's important to keep in mind that as the Instagram account owner that is using a third-party app to stream, you can see your own live while using Yellow Duck. To watch it, check your Instagram live from a different Instagram profile.